Hi folks, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Sally.
And we are starting a new YouTube channel called Whichcraft. Sally and I both really love to do crafts. My background is in interior design, graphic design, and fine arts.
And my background is as a certified floral designer, an interior decorator, and a mural artist. And in fact, that's how Lisa and I met 20 years ago, doing interior design work and murals for a new home builder in the area. We became fast friends.
It's been quite a while. And we both really like different kinds of things. I like certain kinds of crafts and Sally likes other kinds. So I'll be doing some by myself. Sally will be doing others by herself.
And then we'll be doing some together.
It's pretty comical. Those are the best.
Tune in for those for sure.
Yeah, exactly. So what we'd like you to do is check us out. See what you think. Subscribe to our page and share it if you can.
Far and wide, guys. Far and wide.
We're also going to be doing an Instagram page and account, and we also have a Facebook page, so you can follow us on those as well. And anything you can do if you're interested in some kind of craft that you always want to know how to do, and we're all game to try.
Right.
So we're planning on doing things on a weekly basis, so we'll be uploading regularly. The other thing is we're also doing things that are more seasonal. As the seasons come up, we'll be doing crafts to apply for that.
Right, and if you're interested in any home decor and more type things, we're happy to show you some videos on tablescapes, mantelscapes, entranceways, porches, holiday decorating, vignettes, whatever. If you're interested in that, we'd love to share our knowledge of that with you as well.
We're avid crafters, and we know that this is a perfect channel for people who are also avid crafters.
Correct.
So tune in regularly and subscribe to our channel to see which craft we're going to be doing next.
It's a secret.
Thanks.
Bye.